friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week that I still have in my possession. You can always visit my blog, and that has everything on it. But let's get started on what I created this week. I don't think that they're in any particular order. This card was for Kendra's Card Challenge 12 hop. This super sponsor was Whimsy Stamps. You're Stuck With Me. There's the inside. I do have a video of that up on my channel. This card was for the Inky Paws Challenge put on by Newton's Nook. You can see I got some stickles up there. Happy Holidays. There we go. It was for a color challenge. And then I did have those bookmarks that I made. I do have a video sharing them all. A few of them are gone by the members that took them, but I loved how they turned out. And then I recently read a series of books called the Wild Song series. It's by Trisha O'Malley. And in the last book, it had alicorns. Alicorns are a magical creature that is part unicorn and part Pegasus. And I got so involved in the series, and then it ended. And I don't know about you, but like when a book series ends, or even a book, I kind of mourn because you're so invested in it. And I just kept thinking of these magical alicorns, and I remembered I had a stamp set. So I used an older Mojo Monday sketch, and I made an alicorn card. I do have stickles on the horn and the wing, and then some Spectrum Noir sparkle pin on the mane and the tail. Hope the camera picks up all the shimmer. And then some paper from Stamping Up I thought was appropriate. And then this was in the stamp set, which I thought was so cute. So there's my alicorn card. And then I did share my sheet load of cards. This is from July 2023. They turned out really pretty. And that's all I have for this week. I'm hoping to continue to share Saturday showcases, but I'm not sure. I have both my kids coming home for this weekend. That's when we're going to celebrate our Christmas. And then off and on for like the next month or so. One of them will be here, and then the other one, and so on. So I'm not sure how much time I will actually have for videos, but I'll play it by ear, and if I get a video up, great. If not, I hope you understand. So until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.